water potential is just better at telling me when I need to irrigate. I think that's a game changer. So the problem with the water content sensors is I get different interpretations based on soil texture, but the problem is that that's not the end of the story. The end of the story is that it's also impacted by the bulk density of those soils. And we see a wide swing. If you're in a potato field, after it's tilled, you have a very loose bulk density. And then over the course of the season through irrigation and whatever, it becomes more and more compact as those soil particles settle in on each other. It's a moving target for that water content. Even though my soil texture is the same, how I interpret it actually changes through the season. And I don't think hardly anybody knows that or understands that very well. In contrast, the water potential sensors, it doesn't matter what the soil texture is, it's a sand or it's a clay, it's the same answer. It doesn't matter how compacted my soil is, it's the same answer. So let's say I've got a potato crop and I want to turn on the irrigation at minus 50 kilopascals. That's the number, and it doesn't matter. Also, our data shows it's more accurate. I'm getting better triggers on when to turn on the irrigation water when I use those water potential sensors. Now, I still use the water content sensors because what we do is we use the combination of the water content sensor and the water potential sensor, and we can use that and graph them together, and it can determine how much water I have to apply to a specific soil. So that's really valuable too. So I really like those combos of those water potential, water content sensors. I really think that is the ultimate, and I wouldn't grow a potato crop without both of them.